Hi. Are you sick? Are you sick, Aiden? Are you sick? Oh no. Oh no. Such a sick little boy. Aiden. Aiden. I know you see all the blocks over there. Are you still sick? Oh, don't do it that much. You will get sick then. Yes. One more time. Are you sick? Oh, you're ornery. You're ornery. Thank you. What? Oh, goodness. Thank you. I like that Cabbage Patch face. That's what that one is. Yep. Okay. Bye-bye.